Hi everyone, long time no see. Yes, I've been super busy recently because some of you may know that our company, Cell Lab, has officially launched. And I will put the link of the official website below, and please feel free to check it out. And basically, our company offers you the LM agent-based stock analysis and also the very, the intensive trading of the day traders or swing traders in the future. So if you're interested in, and please contact me. Okay. So yes, in the past, I think that I shared some videos about applying reinforcement learning algorithms to do the real trading. But honestly, I think there's very few people really watched them. So this time, I've decided to create something brand new and really exciting things and something that more, explosive. And yes, today is our first episode. So welcome to our brand new series from 1 million to 2 million. And the challenge is simple. So can we double our trading account step by step using the smart money strategies and the in our real trades? So let's find out. So yes, just as I said, this is episode 1. So in this series, I will share you the exact smart money concept I used along with my actual trade record. So you can right now check out, see the screen I'm showing to you, and there is the real record of my personal trade just in the bottom part of the figure. Yes, so which means that what I'm telling you here is definitely not theory. This is live trading with real money on the line. Okay, so yes, today's trading example, let's kick off with a fresh example on gold trade. So here is my actual trade last week, I think it's Friday. And you can see 3 buy entries here in my record on the bottom top, just as I mouse pointed out here. Yes. And by following the smart money logic, so totally in this 3 trade, I managed to capture the move perfectly. Yes, I cannot call it perfectly, but it's not bad, right? And the result is that we can see that the 3 trend I just show us here. The first one is about 40,000, and the second one is 78,000, and the last one is 6,000, right? Japanese yen. So totally, I think nearly 100,000 yen profit I just got in 1 day trade. So what happened there? I will, show you the example here. Yes, first, as we know that in the last Friday, America just published the PCE index data. Here's the vertical line, just as it shows us here. Here is the exact PCE index publication day, right? So step 1, yes, we can see there's a line I drawn up here, right? And this is typically the we call it excess liquidity. So on the chart, you can see that the price trending down, which means that institutional traders just deliberate push the price below its trending line and lower, triggering the stop losses from the lows. This is called excess liquidity. So usually this happens before the real trading of the big institution, because they cannot just put monies into buy or sell. They really want to buy or sell, because once the agency simply put monies to buy, which will make the price of either gold or any currencies just grow very quickly, and which is not good enough for the traders, right? And step 2 is about the FVG here. I just wrote a rectangular here, and it's a FVG, and it's a fair value gap. So which means that after the liquidity sweep, the price reversed and sharply upward and left behind a FVG, right? An imbalance in the market. And smart money often brings price back into this gap. You can see that the red trading, the K lines here shows us here, and yes, the next two red K lines just went into the FVGA and then quickly increased, right? Which means that smart money often brings price back to this gap before continuing higher. And this is exactly what happened here. So yes, we just put our, you can see from our trade record here around 21, I'm sorry, and it's here 1521. So we just found out the trend, and then we just buy, right? Here's buy the gold at this time point, which is exactly the PCE vertical lines here. And after that, yes, we can see the step 3 is once the gap was filled, it just quickly at the PCE vertical line shows us here, and yes, it just gold price exploded upward. So since I entered at the liquidity sweep and add some more positions as price target the FVG, and I was able to ride the whole expansion move. Yes, actually it's not whole expansion move, but yes, I just sold at the time point of here, and which means that that's where the profit came from. And just as I said before, you can simply do the math, right? And yes, it's close to 100,000 Japanese yens to a single SAP. Yes, and here is the smart money patterns to remember. So usually, and I think this is a very vivid examples of smart money. And first, sweep the liquidity, and then create and revisit the fair here, the lines here, the FVG, the fair value gap, and then expansions in the intended directions. And this is a quite textbook setup. And I would like to say it's a perfect first back in our journey from 1 million to 2 millions, because we already made 10% the interest, right? Yes, and finally, if you found this kind of information helpful, and if you also want to join us, and please make sure to subscribe our video and follow along, because in the next episode I will show you how to spot this setup in real time and manage your risk like a pro. And yes, just as I said, this is just the first episode, and this is just the beginnings. And it's going to be very exciting in the future, and trust me, it's going to be get explosive. Thank you. Bye.